Hey everyone, welcome back to another video. Today I'm going to be showing you guys how to properly apply a pro grade ceramic coating. We like to use NanoPro Ceramic. We're actually partnered with them out of West Palm Beach, Florida. What do you need besides just a ceramic coating? Well, your applicator pad. We like to use these. They're pretty good. Best bang for the buck, like 12 bucks for 16 of them. I like to use these Kirkland brand microfiber towels. I like to use 2 of them. I like to color coordinate. This first one is going to be for the first layer right after the flash time is ready. And then the second one's going to be more for like buffing it in, buffing it off, all the excess. With NanoPro Ceramic, less is actually more. So just a little bit like that. So I'm going to be doing this door right here. Obviously, we've done all the proper prep work, the wash, decontamination, clay bar, iron remover, one-step paint correction, all that stuff, panel wipe. I'm just showing you guys how to properly apply the ceramic coating. So all my pros out there, I know you guys probably like to do the whole door just like us, but for this video, I'm going to show you guys what you probably should be doing for your first 6 months. So just go like this, boom, 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 and just go back and forth like that. So you can kind of make a 4 square with the door. Be 4 different sections, like boom, 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 boom. That's how I would do it. That's how we did it starting out. Now with our coating right here, it's a 5-year. It's their thick coating, extra gloss. We only have to wait in our shop about 15 to 30 seconds for flash time. Most coatings you're looking at about 60 seconds. So I'm going to go ahead and use my first towel, and I'm going to wipe it off exactly how I put it on. So I do left to right just like that, and then I go up and down, and then I flip it over, do the same exact thing, just like that. Now I go to my second towel, my yellow one, and for this time, I like to go in little circles, just like this, just to make sure I'm getting everything off that needs to come off. Boom, just like that. And that right there, guys, is how you properly apply a pro grade ceramic coating. And I think that's the easiest way to learn. Break it up into 4 corners, 4 sections. The only way to learn something and get good at it is just repetition, just like anything. So thanks for clicking on the video, learning how to apply ceramic coating. Like the video, comment, and subscribe. Peace.